if you see, two very interesting things happened. One, India's strength fired. We discussed this, that India's top three is probably their weakness currently, with all of them being rusty or out of form. And their middle order and lower middle order, which is their strength, they fired. Pakistan's strength, on the other hand, misfired, like which is their top three. And this, I mean, Babar and Fakar, and to an extent Rizwan, he wasn't at his truest best, but they still ran India very, very close. So imagine, it would have taken just one good innings from a Babar Azam, which is entirely possible, even though you have a bowling attack as good as India, and they could have come up on the winning side. So that would probably give Pakistan more confidence going into Sunday, and India should be very, even though they won after their strengths, like they fired, right? And Pakistan lost when their strength misfired.